hours of flight time and 2,500 parachute jumps. He's currently one of the most respected. What do you think of the red, white, and blue smoke there, folks? Thank you to United Colors for providing those great, great colors. Red, white, and blue. Now, very shortly, we're going to maneuver the formation around at 270, and we're going to come right at us here. We're going to see number 5 and number 6 split off from the formation, and then we're going to pick our grid. Hotline Construction, your high voltage experts. Now, take a look at the deltas they approach. 5 and 6 will break left and right to prepare for their landing. Get ready to start this show.